Morning. Yes, this is absolutely, it's not clickbait at all. Absolutely the best chicken water design I have ever seen. I think it's fairly new to the market because I've never seen it before, and I gotta tell you, it's friggin' ingenious, and it's so simple and it's inexpensive. So I have tried just about everything. First, let me say, a lot of people use these nipples. I don't think it's a natural way for chickens to drink water, to peck at a nipple. If you look at chickens in the wild, we have, down at the beach house, we have basically wild chickens. My neighbor has chickens, and they're running across the highway. They're just out all day long. But when you watch them, they go up to puddles, and they go down, they take a scoop, and they drink. Take a scoop, and they drink. That's how chickens naturally drink water. So I really think that the ability to replicate that's important. That's number one. Number two, I'll show you up here, a lot of people use these cups, and I was using these cups, and I've ruined one bucket and one big thing because the cups are all made of plastic and you can't tighten them down enough, and they start to click and you can't, and they end up leaking. The chickens that will stand on them, they turn. I've had tons of problems with those little cups, so that doesn't work. Then I actually bought a container, I'll show you up here, that you actually have a cap and you fill from the top down, and it's just so hard to clean out. This thing's ingenious. One thing I do want to point out is that most of your waterers are made of opaque plastic, and what happens when you use opaque plastic? Sunlight gets through it, and what needs sunlight to grow? Algae. So I can tell you that other feeder, that other water that I bought last month is up there that I'm going to end up replacing. When I opened it up, I had algae inside of it down at the bottom, and I couldn't get all the sediment on the bottom of the main container, not in the tray, but of the main container. I had to empty it and blow it out, rinse it out, and clean it out. With this system, you don't have to do that because it actually kind of blows it out. So let me show you. It's real simple. This is all it is. And basically, someone came up with a 5-gallon bucket lid design. So the first thing you do, it comes with 3 pieces. You put these little pieces together. Then you stick this inside this hole, and you got to do this firmly. I'm almost thinking about putting a drop of super glue in there so I don't have to worry about it. Next, you have this little plug. This is a garden hose adapter. Now, I will say, the caveat I will give you is that you really need to have a garden hose, be able to run, even if it's a 100, 200 foot garden hose, it doesn't matter, up to your chicken coop, because this will solve so many of your problems. Put a little switch here, put one of those little valves, then put your garden hose. Then, let me move some of this crap on my tailgate so I can show you. Then what you do is you just put your bucket on here with the handle towards the back. I did learn that. They don't tell you that. And then you just tap this down until it seats in here. I'm not going to tap it down because it's hard to get off. Rubber mallet or tap it down and then seat it in there. Now what happens, when you turn the water on here, it goes up that tube and it blows in from the top down, and you'll see, I'll show you here in a minute, it blows this chamber out, and you can run a brush or your hand in here, and in 5 seconds, boom, this thing is completely clean, all new water, your water is completely filled. It's friggin' ingenious, people, friggin' ingenious. The best water, I've tried them all. Now I will give you another caveat, and they even include, it's all wet, they include a little piece of paper here that says, important notice, not all buckets are designed the same. I will tell you that a Lowe's bucket fits perfectly in this, absolutely perfect, there's no leak. So you set it down on here, pop it in, Lowe's bucket work. You can order these online, have them shipped to you. I mean, they're like $5-6. The other thing, the other caveat I've learned is this needs to be level. So left to right, you need to get it sort of level. But the important thing is not to have it this way, because if you have it this way, some of that water has a tendency to come out the back and sort of leak. So if anything, you want it tilted towards the watering tray just a little bit. So level to just maybe a eighth of an inch or quarter of an inch, just get it level. And that'll keep that water from coming back down here. It's not a huge problem. I realized that once I had set it up, I didn't level it right. So I have mine up on cement blocks, and then all I did is I just lift that cement block and just threw in some wood chips to level it off. And man, let me tell you what, I mean, I'm a weird person. I'm one of those weird people that has this weird mind. That's why they call me Doc, because when I see a problem, I have to come up with a solution. And I'll wake up at 3 a.m. writing stuff down or making notes. I have 21 patents, and when I see something that someone has designed that's so simple, really cheap, it's very inexpensive. I'll put a link. By the way, this is not sponsored, and I bought these myself to test them out. 2 thumbs up, man. I'll go up to the chicken house and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so we all know these little water systems that you put into, you know, the little bottom tray. As a matter of fact, the red bottom trays are sitting over there. You can see them. I just sort of trashed them. They're a pain in the butt to try and keep clean. Chickens just make a mess. They constantly kick and they're constantly make a mess. All right, next. We've all sort of seen this on YouTube, these little buckets, and these cups. These little cups are removable, supposedly. I have a hard time getting them out, but it really doesn't make it easier to clean. And every day I got to come by and spray each one of these little things. And then I got to open the lid and then I got to refill it. So I even tried one of these big containers here. That's trash now. But the problem is with these also is that right there. So both the thread and the nut are plastic, and when you try and tighten it down to get it waterproof, it sort of clicks. It's sort of like it won't tighten down enough. I can't get these to tighten down enough to prevent water loss in there. So basically that's all trash. I wasted that bucket. Next, let me show you. Move, girls. Move, girls. I just got this last month, and this is actually a pretty good water. You take this little cap off here, you put it down here, you open this up, you fill it up. But to clean this out, because it's heavy, without breaking that tray, you got to lean it halfway and sort of do this to it. Let it fill up, and I guess that's kind of clean, but then I have to go back and spray it. This is my new system, and you can see I've got a hose hooked up, and I've got a little timer here. What are you doing? What are you doing? And you can see, all right, see how dirty that water is just from one night? Let's see if the water's on here. And all I have to do is just run my hand or use a brush, either way. Then I tone it down. And now it's filling this whole bucket. When you don't see bubbles anymore, the bucket is full. Then just shut it off. Boom. If you have chickens and you have a water, I just impressed you. Now, the girl that was, the woman that was taking care of my chickens while I was gone, she actually bought one of these. And she would actually just use this and just go run along like this. And man, let me tell you what, it is so nice. That is the best invention for chickens in a year or two. All these other little waters are good, they're very inventive, but as far as performance, as far as filling, cleaning, not leaking, ease of operation, this one by far is the #1 chicken water, hands down, period. And it's not expensive. I'll put a link in the description below to it where I got it, and get some, try them. Again, use the Lowe's buckets, I know they work. Doc.